Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Let's make chicken mandi today. Add sufficient oil, 1 bay leaf, 5 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 6 cardamoms, half tablespoon peppercorns, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, one medium-sized sliced onion, two to 3 chopped green chilies, salt to taste, 1½ tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, few mint and coriander leaves, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, half cup of water, half cup of yogurt, one tablespoon of garam masala, add 1 lb chicken, mix it well, close the lid and leave for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1 cup of water, one tablespoon of lemon sauce, and after 10 minutes, place the chicken on your plate. Add 1 lb basmati rice which is soaked for 30 minutes in water. Add 1 cup of water and leave for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, and again close the lid for 10 minutes. Now your mandi is perfectly cooked. Fry the chicken on tawa, but make sure it is on medium flame. Leave the chicken pieces to burn a little bit, and I assure you guys that it will bring amazing flavor to your chicken. And now it's time for plating. Add mandi to your thali. Few fried onions. Some roasted nuts, add the chicken pieces, add raita and few eggs. That's it guys, enjoy your feast. If you guys like this video, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification.